Hey there everyone, this is Billy here back on the channel, and today we have a brand new race car here on the workbench today. This is the Team Associated B7, the latest and greatest for their two-wheel drive buggies. I got this thing a couple of days ago at Houston RC, and I've been really excited to make a video about it. Don't really know where to really start with all of this, but basically like it's a new build, so let's talk about it. So basically it comes already with the 17.5 just stock motor, and it also comes with a few option parts on the front and I believe some on the back maybe. But yeah, let's dive right into this thing. So the car wasn't the only thing that we got from Houston RC on that fateful day. We also got some parts here. We have the XR10 just stock 60 amp ESC. We also have the receiver for our FlySky radio. Got some bullet connectors. I don't immediately have any wiring, I believe, so I might have to get that from Houston RC as well. And of course we have a high quality ProTech 2S battery. There it is. Honestly, super excited that we have a new racer here, and especially the fact that it is a two-wheel drive carpet buggy, because I've been missing it ever since I sold off that Losi. I've been wanting to get back into it, and the guy over at Houston RC is like, you need to get back into it. And I'm like, you know what, I'm getting there. And now we got there. So now we have the car, we have the parts. Really the only thing that we don't have now are the wheels and of course the wing. And we're definitely gonna get a new body, but in the meantime, we'll just stick with this one. So taking a quick peek underneath, it's looking like it's set up pretty well. Everything is looking really well. I haven't really checked over the screws yet, but I believe I'll be doing that as soon as I start the actual build process on this. And of course, it also does have the ProTech chassis protector on there as well. I believe one of the best option parts that we have on this thing are the bell cranks up here. I believe they're just plastic normally, but the guy who had this before put on some nice ones. And we also have an 11 gram weight up here in the front. And it's also very nice to see no rubber bands, if you know what I mean. And here is the motor. It is a 17.5 turn just stock hobby wing, censored of course. And yeah, that's pretty much all that's really going on this thing, if I gotta be honest. We got this, got the parts, and we're ready to throw it together, almost. The only thing we're really just missing now are the wheels and of course the wing. Speaking of those rear upgrades, I believe this FT 26 gram weight in the back is also an option part, so that's pretty nice. Overall, it was a really good value. I really could not pass this thing up. Oh yeah, and as a bonus, we even get the manual in there. All right, y'all, that's pretty much all I got here on this Team Associated B7 today. We got the chassis, and of course all of the parts, and of course the motor as well. I will be live streaming the build process of it as I go through it. What I want to try to do in the first live stream is get the servo in and just the general electronics, and we'll worry about the soldering whenever we actually go down to Houston RC. And while we're down there as well, we'll probably also get the wheels, and we'll hopefully try to get a wing. I want to try to get at least 2 or 3 live streams out of this maybe. We'll just see how it goes. So what are y'all's thoughts on the Team Associated B7? Do y'all have one? Do y'all race carpet? Do y'all race on dirt? What do y'all do with it? I'd be curious to know down in the comments below. Anyway guys, until next time, I will see you in the next one.